Bag pimp, I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me free.
Let's animate any face by Android phone. If you are an iPhone user, please check description. As free user, ignore this page. Follow every step what the app suggests to do us. Select your own or any face photo. Here you find all popular animation feature. But for more feature, click more. Select any. If you have any favorite character, search it. Now you can save this animation on your device for future use. Click Save. Select Video Loop. Now try yourself. If this video helped you, please do like, comment, share and subscribe.